Hello everyone, and welcome to My Natural Hair Delights, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to make an all natural co-wash conditioner, okay? We are using 4 natural ingredients, which is the aloe vera, apple cider vinegar, guar gum, and lemongrass essential oil, okay? Now I'm going to show you a simple process of how to make this particular conditioner, and the purpose of co-washing your hair is to remove the product buildup from your hair and your scalp, especially from your scalp. If you ever grease your scalp, or if you ever apply heavy butter such as shea butter, cocoa butter, or mango butter on your hair and scalp, you want to make sure that you remove the wax buildup and the butter buildup on your scalp after a week or two. Because if you go straight to washing your hair, sometimes the residue from the butter or the hair grease can remain on your hair. And this is a picture of what it would look like if you don't co-wash your hair first. Now sometimes you may get away without co-washing your hair. You may get away without co-washing your hair and just go straight to washing, and you can, be totally fine. But I would highly recommend to co-wash if you apply any of those ingredients on your hair. So today I'm going to show you how to make the co-wash conditioner, and you can also make a regular conditioner without the apple cider vinegar simply by just using guar gum gel along with aloe vera and some of your other natural ingredients, your other choice of natural ingredients such as coconut oil, or you can also use avocado oil, sunflower oil. And so I'm actually not even using any carrier oils. I'm only using lemongrass essential oil to enhance the smell of the conditioner, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. I usually use the actual plant, but for this video I'm using the actual bag. So you can use the bite-sized pieces, or you can use the plant, or you can use aloe vera juice, okay? So we're just gonna blend this for a little bit. All right, now we're going to use the strainer to strain out the white residue from the aloe vera gel. Okay, now I'm going to strain out the aloe vera. Next, we're going to pour a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I usually pour about 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And then I'm simply going to add a few drops of lemongrass essential oil. And now I'm just going to take 1 teaspoon of the guar gum powder, and I'm going to pour it inside of the bowl. Now I'm going to use my immersion blender, and I'm just simply going to mix all of my ingredients together. It is very thick And that's kind of how I wanted my conditioner to form. Now I do have a tutorial of how to make co-wash conditioner without the guar gum, and I only used aloe vera and apple cider vinegar along with some carrier oils and essential oils. Okay, but if you want to make a thick conditioner, then this will be perfect. All right, so now I'm going to place my co-wash conditioner inside of my container. All right, everyone, so this is the final results of the co-wash conditioner, and I'm actually going to apply it to my hair, and I'm actually going to make this an extra tutorial for those of you who would like to learn more on how to apply it to your hair. You can simply go to my website at mynaturalhairdelight.com/hair courses, and I'm also going to have this available online. If you would like to purchase a co-wash conditioner, you can purchase online at mynaturalhairdelight.com. So it's just with all natural ingredients, and that's why I chose these ingredients to make for you all to watch and learn. If you would like more tutorials, please like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight. And I will talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye.